hello everyone, I'm back again and I hope everyone is fine. Yes, actually I did not think of making this vlog, but I'm just on my way to the hospital. I'm fine. I thought of just showing you the hospital here, the condition, how the situation is, and it's very urgent, so I'm just donating blood for the child. But just let us see the situation out here, the place, the hospital. Okay, that's the main reason of this vlog, nothing else. So let us go. Okay,
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I'll touch you safe and that I'll see you soon. If I could lay down beside you,
1 point kita bola 1.6 grams, so it's very very low and quite risky. So if anyone if you find anyone with this kind of problem, you can always help out. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so he's just volunteer here.
दो लोग हैं
Blood and
एक भैया है सारे एक हो गए हाँ तो करना
वो करके भेजेगी मेरे मास्क पहना तो नहीं इसको
ये लो मास्क दे देना
ऐसे नहीं डालेंगे करते जाना
क्या बताओ आजकल है ना ले दे के तो लोग आते हैं, अरे इधर उधर भगाएंगे ना तो डोनर फंस जाएंगे, कोई नहीं आएगा, ऐसे लोग डरते हैं।
अभी सिचुएशन ऐसी है ना, अभी क्या कल
कल 3 दिन
तो अभी कहाँ है, यहाँ है क्या बाहर?
सर मैं चलता हूँ, दुकान में कोई नहीं हूँ। सर आपका नाम मेरा नंबर आप लिखिए।
Yesterday, just recently, 3 cases have come out from here, from our place. But the good thing is that they are not kept here. They are taken to, I think, probably Raipur. But I don't know, community spread probably has not. And I think mostly they are from CRPF camps who went home and came back from holidays. So that is the problem here. Otherwise, the local people here are still, they are quite safe. Yeah, still we have to take care.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Let me end up this vlog here. Before I reach my room, I'm just on the way back home. Yes, but I just want to show you this beautiful place. In fact, this is the place where I always come when I am tired, like if I am stressed a little bit. Sometimes we get stressed and sometimes I don't know which places do you go to when you are tired, or when you want to take some good time in silence. Yeah, so this is the place that I come always. I'll just show you, and I hope you too will like this beautiful place. And one last thing, friends, I feel really happy, and should say blessed, sometimes when if I think that I have done something good. Yes, so you all to please never miss the chance when you can do something good. I don't mean to say I'm very good, but I have just grabbed this chance to do good for someone's life. So it's I should say it's blessed thing, right? That's all. So let's end up today. So let's meet in the next video. So for today, bye.